Hello, so can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so I
Yes.
see there are 12. You already hear a bit. The number we got is 18, right? So I already record this video and it's a recording. If anyone want to watch the video again, I will post this on YouTube and you guys can watch again to review. Okay, so let me instruct you first about the let me there more. Okay, let me introduce about the test. So with the test, you got two parts. The part one is a multiple choice question. For this part, multiple choice question, you choose A, B, C, or D. And for this part, you guys don't need to care much about it because like you just need to complete all the question. Don't care about the answer, okay? Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is multiple choice part. And for the second part is practical part. Practical part. And there are two more people join to my Zoom. The practical part. And in this part, you have to complete your exercise about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I think you already get familiar with this part. With words, I will start with word first because like we don't need to care about for the first part multiple choice question. So what I mentioned today is practical part. For the first part is the word. Okay, so I want to ask like, you guys can read these Vietnamese words, right? Can can you read this Vietnamese word? That's where your voice. I need one answer my question.
Một chút.
Một chút, a little bit, okay. Theo tổng cục thống kê. And how about text the words? I mean, it's like Vietnamese word. Can you understand? Can you know how to text Vietnamese word? For example, theo tổng cục thống kê. I need someone to answer my question.
Not really.
Not really sure.
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been living in Vietnam?
Almost 4 or 5 years.
Almost 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
Oh, because like you are in K9, right? You are.
No, I'm TH.
No, you are in K8. Yes, we
Yes.
already. I mean, it's like you guys already learned subject about Vietnamese, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. How about the others? How about the others?
I think we are the same.
We are same. Okay.
Evangelina, how about you?
You will be given a passage of Vietnamese passes like this. They will give them on the test. You will receive a a paper. You will receive a paper, and then you have to transfer. You have to text what you can see from paper. Then you text into Word on the computer. Okay. For example, let me. This is the paper. This is the paper you get from the examiner. This is the paper. And on the paper, what you see here, yes, and then you text on Word. You text on Word. Okay. You text on Word. So do you know how to do it? Do you guys know? I mean, it's like imagine how it look like, how the test look like. Mean you transfer what you see from paper in Word. Okay. And because it's not very difficult for you, because you only need to text. And there are second. I mean, it's like there are certain requirement for you. You can see. This is one of the requirements. Here. What you can see in bold, in the, yeah, in bold. This one is in bold and is in bold. And you see if they request you to bold the words, and you bold the words. Okay. All right. This is three requirement. The requirement here is the type of word. Normally, they will ask you to type in Time New Roman. You use this one. Then you take Times New Roman. Okay. All right. So you will get the correct word type. Okay. Okay. And about how big is the word? It's normally required you in 12 or 40. But it's very easy. You don't need to care about it. And next one, I will choose 12. When you see on the paper, you see the number of 12. The number of 12, you choose 12, and you see the number of 14, you choose 14. Okay. Okay, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to insert a picture on Word? Do you know how to insert a picture on Word?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So if you see a picture on paper and ask you to insert the same picture, normally it's very easy. This is the insert here. I will teach you again. Insert. Okay. So then what do we next? Can someone ask? Can someone help me to choose? Because I want to insert a picture. This one's right. Insert. Yes, and you insert a picture. Okay. Is it okay for this part to insert a picture? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sometimes they ask you to insert clip art with me. I will see where's clip art. Okay. And what I require you is very easy. What I require you is very easy. For this part, you text the words, you choose the correct words, font, Times New Roman, and the size of the words, 12 or 14, you can see on the paper and choose the correct one. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. All right. And remember to save your name. Remember to save your name on the test. For example, I would say a name. Okay, this is my name. Oh, word. Okay, only need to type your name and word. Very easy. Okay. Here, you already got your data for word. Okay. So for the next part, it's a Excel. This part is quite more. I mean, it's like
Really? Really? For Chabi Banya.
Anjokata.
okay. So this I mean, it's like, does anyone have any question about this part? Please tell me, and I will explain more for you. What I teach you, you can apply the same thing on the test, and from that you can pass exam, because like how can I say, I tell you that if you register with me you can pass exam, but you cannot submit, I mean, it's like nothing on the test, right? You can not submit, like you don't take anything on board and you submit. That very hard for me to have you. You need to take the work. Okay.
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 I have a question.
Yes. Okay.
So this is for the Word, because of
Uh,
Microsoft Word, right?
Only for the words only.
So the question is, well, are we required to use some form, like we need to use the word Times New Roman, and then the font size, and then what else? Like paragraph, things
Let
like that.
let me summarize for you. The first thing you have to do is to text the words, and the second thing, you choose Times New Roman as the font size, and the third one, you choose, I'm sorry, the font style, and the next one you choose the font size. If they require you to choose 12, you choose 12. And if they ask you to choose 14, you choose 14. And then you can see, if you see the bows, like this one, the bow, you can see something in both. You choose both. Do you know both, right? You make sure take both.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So if you see on paper, like this line, they both the text, and you bold it the same with what you see on paper. Okay.
Okay, Zoe.
Okay. And then remember to save your file. You save your name and what, like what I already practiced, like see here, for example, your name is Jonas. You okay, Jonas, for example, Jonas, sorry for mentioning your name, Jonas in Word, okay, and you save it, okay? Does it clearly?
Clear.
Okay, all right, so this is the first part, is the Word. And let me explain the next part, is the Excel. For this part, Excel, first, you will see, again, you will see on paper a table, and you create a table as same as what you see on paper. For example, the first one I see số thứ tự. Số thứ tự is the number, name, or tên, mark, score, yeah. I choose in toán đi. Toán, mark, score. Mark, score. English score in tiếng Anh. English and IT. Okay. So first, what you see is not wanted. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 people will mention in this one. For example, the first person is Jonas. The second person is Julia, Surya, Thảo, and let me choose the name. Rosa. Okay. Math score 10, 9, 10, 5, 6, no, 5. And for English, 10, 5, 6, 8. For IT, 8, 7, 8, 7, and 8. This is the information printed on the paper, and you will create it and same. And remember to create to draw the border. Okay, you choose all the border. Okay. Once again, choose Time New Roman. This is Vietnamese favorite style. Time New Roman and Tao. For example, Tao. Okay. Yes. If you see the title of the information is at the center, you choose this. Okay. As same with score, with this column, I see on paper the information is at the center. I should center. If it's on the left, I should align left. And if it's on the right, I should right. Okay. Now I choose all the center. Okay. The normal question is the average. Or do Does anyone can tell me average? What does it mean in Vietnamese? Average. 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 Does anyone tell me what does it mean in Vietnamese? Average. Please help me to answer this question. Can you ask me? I mean, like, can you help me to answer this question?
Trung bình.
Yes, that's right, trung bình. And trung bình. All right. If I want to know about the average score, if I want to know the average score of student, for example, Jonas, he got 10, 10, and 8 for math, English, and IT. So what is his favorite? I mean, it's like what is his average score? This is like 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 3 is right. And we say sum we use to count the total, right? Here we use sum. You see sum from C2 from this one to this one. This is sum, okay? Sum from C2 to E2, then divided by 3. Why it is 3? Because we have 3 subjects, right? If I have one more score is the PE, physical education. I got like 5. Then if I want to count, if I want to find the average score, I choose the range from C2 to F2, from math to PE. Then I divide it by 3 or 4. Does anyone have me?
4.
Yes, of course.
4.
4. Okay, very easy, right? And this one 6, 7, 8, 9. And for other student, you only need to click, and then their average score will happen, will appear. Okay. Is it
Okay.
or easy? Easy, right?
Clear.
Yes, clear. Okay. And choose the center. Okay. And for the next one, it's about mean and max. Mean and max. Okay, mean. Okay. So what does it mean in Vietnamese? What does it mean in Vietnamese? Minimum and maximum. Minimum.
Tuổi thiểu.
Nhỏ nhất, right? Minimum nhỏ nhất. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 is the minimum or mean, and max is the maximum. Is the lớn nhất. Okay. Now I start with Jonah again. Math score is 10, English score is 10, IT in 8, and PE is 5. You can easily see 5 is correct answer, but what you have to present to show on the exercise is not right 5 only. Okay, you mean, yeah, remember, choose from math to PE, mean, and you have mean. Minimum score is 5 for PE, and with the other. All right. It's 10, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You already complete 3 exercise. I mean like 3 questions. Remember to choose. Okay, at the center and border. Okay, this is the first example. So because like this is a Zoom, we have only less than 1 minute, and please out the Zoom and we join again, and we will start. I mean, like I will continue with Excel and PPT. Okay, because we have less than 1 minute. You can see on the screen. Okay.
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 I
Solita yang pensar.
okay.